UCU, what is the term for species that are at risk of extinction?
Endangered species.
That is correct.
This is the second year she's winning that award. Let's give her prizes. They asked for 2 laptops, a light, and a color printer.
I'm ecstatic. I'm glad to be here, and we thank God for all He has done throughout this whole process. It's really a pleasure to be here.
The Dean of Students, UCU. These are my students. I'm excited. They are the winning students. We call them the dream team. They have worked so hard. They are curious, they are smart, they are researchers, and I'm not surprised that they have won. We are excited by the gifts and want to thank New Vision and all the sponsors, NEMA, UCC, and all the others. We are so grateful.
Ndeje University ekutte ekifo ekyokubiri mu Ultimate Quiz 2025. Twebaza Katonda kubanga twajja University yaffe gwe mulundi ogusoose okubeera nga yeetaba mu mpaka zino, era omukisa gwe tufunyeemu Vision Group gwe tuwadde nti ne Bank of Uganda abayizi baffe ebasuubiza okubawa internship, which is a very big opportunity.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.